Deep beneath the Earth's surface lies an ordinary-looking rock, but hidden inside it is one of the world's most valuable treasures, gold. The journey begins in an open-pit gold mine, where gigantic excavators remove thousands of tons of rock every single day.
The gold-bearing rocks are transported to a crushing plant, where enormous jaw crushers break them into smaller pieces.
After crushing, the ore enters giant rotating ball mills. Steel balls tumble inside the mill day and night. Directions. The powdered ore is mixed with water to create a thick mineral slurry. Inside these massive cyanidation tanks, now comes a remarkable step. Thousands of tiny activated carbon granules are added to the solution. The gold concentrate is completely dried to remove any remaining moisture. It is then mixed with special refining flux. Inside the induction furnace, temperatures climb above 1,150 degrees Celsius. The gold concentrate melts into a smelts. With the impurities removed, the glowing molten gold is carefully poured into heavy graphite molds. As the liquid metal begins, although the doré bar already looks like pure gold, it still contains silver, copper, and other trace metals. As direct current flows through the electrolyte, gold atoms leave the doré bar and travel through the solution, guided by electricity. After hours of electrorefining, the cathode is covered with an exceptionally pure layer of gold. A precision robot. The 99.99% pure gold is transferred into a high-density graphite crucible and placed inside a powerful induction furnace. The furnace slowly tilts, and a brilliant stream of molten gold flows into a precision graphite mold. As the mold leaves the furnace, the molten gold begins to cool under carefully controlled conditions. As the molten gold leaves the furnace, the molten gold begins to cool under carefully controlled conditions. Using a high-pressure hydraulic press, each bar is stamped with its refinery unique serial number. Before leaving the refinery, every gold bar undergoes a final quality inspection. Automated vision systems check the engraved markings, dimensions, and surface finish. Before leaving the refinery, every gold bar undergoes a final quality inspection. Automated vision systems check the engraved markings, dimensions, and surface finish. Once every inspection is complete, the certified gold bar is securely packaged and transferred to a high-security vault. This isn't just a block of metal. It's the result of mining, chemistry, electricity, and extreme heat. Just moments ago, it was hidden inside an ordinary rock deep beneath the earth. Through powerful machines, advanced from an ordinary rock hidden deep beneath the earth to a flawless 9.99% pure gold. Before any gold bar can enter the global market, its purity must be independently verified. Even the smallest variation can determine. After the furnace treatment, the sample is processed and carefully measured. Every fraction of a gram matters. Once the quality checks are complete, every certified gold bar is securely packaged. Once the quality checks are complete, every certified gold bar is securely packaged and assigned a unique tracking record. After leaving the refinery, the certified gold bars begin the next stage of their journey. Only after passing every inspection and certification step is the gold bar officially recognized as investment-grade bullion. What makes gold truly remarkable is that refining changes its purity, but not the metal itself. Not every gold bar becomes part of a jewelry collection. Many are stored for years inside secure vaults as investment. Every flawless gold bar begins its journey in one of the most unexpected places, hidden inside ordinary-looking regions. At 99.99% purity, almost all unwanted metals have been removed. At 99.99% purity, almost all unwanted metals have been removed. Every stage had a single purpose: to remove every possible impurity without losing the gold itself. From crushing solid rock at the beginning of this journey, it was nothing more than ordinary-looking rock. After mining, chemistry, electrorefining, and extreme heat, At the beginning of this journey, it was nothing more than ordinary-looking rock. After mining, chemistry, electrorefining, and extreme... Every stage of this transformation is guided by one objective: maximum purity with minimum loss. The Fustins. Behind every investment-grade gold bar is a journey that combines geology, chemistry, metallurgy, and precision. From a rough rock buried deep underground to a flawless 99.99% pure gold bar. What began as hidden mineral particles has become a masterpiece of industrial refinement. A journey that started with a simple piece of rock has ended with one of the purest forms of gold created by human hands.